In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect with your broker and execute trades using the TradingView mobile app. TradingView is a powerful tool for analyzing markets and executing trades, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be adept at linking your app to BlackBull markets and placing your trades with precision and confidence. Let's start by ensuring you have the TradingView mobile app installed on your device. Once you have the app ready, go ahead and open it up. You will be greeted by the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. This step is essential for accessing your personalized settings and trading data. Make sure your login information is correct to keep the process smooth. After logging in, look towards the bottom of the screen. You'll notice several tabs, but our focus today is on the Chart tab. Tap this as it will bring up the core functionality of the app where you can view various market charts and data. Next, we want to open up the options that allow us to add more features. On the screen, locate the three-dot menu which typically appears on the upper right side. Tapping this will reveal a drop-down with several options tailored for different functionalities. From the drop-down menu, select Connect Broker. This is an essential step because it enables you to link your TradingView account with your chosen broker for smooth and direct trade execution. Now that you've reached the broker selection page, scroll through the list of available brokers until you find BlackBull Markets. Go ahead and select it, then click on Connect. This action will prompt the system to redirect you to the BlackBull Markets Secure Client area. Within the Secure Client area, sign in with the credentials that you normally use for BlackBull Markets. It's like accessing your account on any other secure portal, so keep your login details at hand, and be sure to safeguard your information. After successfully logging in, you will see an authorization screen. Click Allow to grant TradingView access to integrate and interact with your broker account. Upon successfully connecting, you'll be returned to the TradingView app. Now we're ready to start trading. To find an asset you'd like to trade, tap the world icon. This will bring up a list of sources. Be sure to choose BlackBull Markets as your source for the data you need. With the asset chosen, look closely at the price chart and identify the ask or sell price. Tapping this price will open up the trade window where you can set the specifics of your trade. In the trade window, select whether you're entering a long or a short position, depending on your market analysis and strategy. Here, you'll also set your lot size. Additionally, you have the option to specify take profit and stop loss levels, which are crucial for mitigating risk and automating some of your trading decisions. Once you've reviewed all your settings and you're satisfied with the parameters, activate the order and confirm. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through connecting your broker and placing a trade using the TradingView mobile app. Happy trading, and may your decisions be profitable.